guys, welcome back to another YouTube video. So today we're gonna be doing a house tour, except we're gonna be starting outside of the house and we're gonna be working our way in after the pool. A lot of you guys have requested this video, so give this video a like if you're excited to see the house. So as you guys can tell, this is an infinity pool. Basically what that means is the water overflows towards the edge. I'm not sure if you guys can tell, but it goes over the pool. I need to get back in shape before I actually start going to the pool because this is embarrassing. It is. And let me show you guys the other parts of the pool. So the deepest this pool goes is 3.5 feet. It's just some of our friends are really short, so we don't want them to drown. I actually lied. I meant to say the deepest this pool goes is 5 feet, which is still taller than most of our friends. But there's a lot of trees here, which is what I really like about the place. And honestly, green is probably my favorite color to have in the background of my videos. And it's just the most enjoyable to look at, for me at least. And this right here is our new house, and what I really like about it is the giant doors, and also the second you walk in, it's just super open. I just feel like there's so much space. It just looks really nice for videos. Yeah, no, and what I really like about this is how big the door, which is perfect because it's 10 feet, right? And immediately right when you walk inside the first room, we have a little cute office room right here, a little love sack right here, and my favorite actually is a piano. In case a lot of people don't know, I actually played a piano. Alan, do you want me to record since you're gonna do all the talking? Why mind this video if you're doing all the talking? I'm kidding, I wasn't joking. I was he's one of those people where he's you'll see a piano and be like, is this a piano? Yeah, that's a piano. Oh, wait, you know how to play the piano? No, I don't think. Are you sure? You don't know how to play it? I really don't even know how to play the piano, but I mean, if you insist, he's one of those people who just show off his piano skills. Alright, and we'll start with the living room, right? Yeah, we'll show you guys the living room first. Living room. So, got the stairs right there, another love stack right here, and as you can tell, there's a couch right here. We like to have our friends over a lot, so need a big couch. Need a big couch and a big TV so we can watch our YouTube videos. Look how big the TV is. Look at that. And wait, look guys, the famous painting. We just moved in last week, so there's no decorations whatsoever, right? So let us know if you want to see a video of us decorating our house. I feel like it would be really interesting because we definitely need to fill this place up. So comment down below if you want to see that. All right, anyway, so check out the countertops, guys. 2 islands right here, look at this. You can sleep on this thing. You can literally sleep on it. Oh my gosh. All right, what do we have in here? Are those a Raycon? Oh my gosh. Okay guys, before we continue with the house tour, we'd like to thank Raycon for sponsoring this video. We both love listening to music and we use Raycons every day to listen to our favorite songs. They're also very stylish, comfortable, have great sound, and most importantly, you can get them for half the price of other premium wireless earbud brands. Their latest model, the Everyday E25 earbuds, has 6 hours of battery life, seamless Bluetooth pairing, more bass, and a more compact design that gives you a nice noise isolating fit. It also comes in new fun colors. So click the link in the description below to get 15% off of your order. Honestly, they sound just as amazing, if not better, than other top audio brands. So don't forget, go to buyraycon.com/StokesTwins to get 15% off your order. Now let's get back to the house tour. Here's our refrigerator right here. This is my favorite part of the refrigerator. Watch this. Look at that. Twins. Look at that. It's our refrigerator. And let me show you guys what's inside the refrigerator. Boom. Just some rotten bananas, some half-eaten cake for Andrew's birthday, some naked juice, some ribs. I think these ribs are rotten. Is it rotten? There's a second fridge right here to keep more stuff in here. And there is a freezer section down here with, we don't like cooking. We literally microwave 90% of our food. Only time we're cooking is for those cooking hack videos. Talk about microwaving. The microwave is right here. Right here, we can keep all of our waters. Oh, we're running low on water. We are running low on water. What I really like about this is how many cabinets there are, right? All this coffee in here. So, whenever I need coffee, I have it. In case you guys are wondering what's behind that door, this is actually a second kitchen. Here we go. How cool is that? Who needs 2 kitchens?
Oh, you can deep fry stuff.
Oh, these are deep fried stuff. I never knew this. We might get a second fridge right here, but for right now, we're keeping the ring lights. Also, look at all these cabinets right here. As you can tell, there's 20 cabinets right here. But I don't want to bore you with all the cabinets. You guys get the point. There's a lot of cabinets. And let's show you guys this. This is really cool. Wait, check this out, guys. Look at those curtains. Check these curtains out, right? And I have these remotes right here. Now, check this one out. I can shut this one too. That's so cool. I've always wanted curtains like this. Okay, so let's go ahead and show you guys upstairs and show you guys what is upstairs. Because I feel like you guys have seen downstairs even in our YouTube video, but I feel like we don't really show the upstairs. So first look, the lights, nice little lights right here. It looks a lot cooler at night, honestly. These stairs are built to make the butt look nicer. Like honestly, like there's always a nice view every step, you know? Like okay, so there's a nice little overlook right here. So you can see the front door and then another one that overlooks the living room and kitchen. And let's go ahead and start with my room. So when you first enter in through my room, I have a little hallway right here and I can put stuff right here. Okay, entering my room. It's right here when you first walk in. I have a table for editing because just so you guys know, I edit all of my own YouTube videos. Right here, I stay up late at nights getting this work in. I have a TV right here. I mean, I definitely need to decorate this room. I feel like it's very, very like bland. Oh, let me show you guys my bathroom. Here we go. Okay, so this is my bathroom right here. So bathtub, sink right here, mirror. This is a really big mirror, by the way, guys, right here. So one really cool thing that we love about this house is every single bedroom in this house has a bathroom and a closet. Bathtub right here, shower right here, bathroom right here. It's a pretty small bathroom. And right here's my closet. Here we go. So when you first walk in, you see the clothes right here, and there's these clothes back here. But I have a second part to my closet, guys. Look, there's two parts to my closet. I feel like the cool part about this closet is like everything is pretty much color coordinated. I don't know how long that's gonna last. It's been like this for a whole week and I'm organized now. Well, so I organized the pants right here, sweatpants by color, hoodies, everything right here. Just like the random stuff we have. Hospital gown, guys. Remember I had surgery a year ago. Shorts, dress shirts right here, our tuxes, and then we had the basic t-shirts right here that we always wear. Our favorite. Yes, the basic tight t-shirts is what we wear. Laundry basket, and yeah, I mean, so one downside about living in a two-story house is sometimes I don't like going up and down the stairs. So I'm gonna show you guys a quick shortcut down the stairs that you guys probably didn't know about. Hey Alan, the food's ready. Oh no! Where's my food? But that's the shortcut I was talking about. It's a lot quicker than walking down the stairs. It is, it really is. 2, 3. Wait, that was easy. 1, 2, 3. Oh! Alan, help! Oh, stop! Why is he so dramatic? Why is it so scary? That's a shortcut. That's why we had the love sacks. So that was the master bedroom, his room. So there's 5 bedrooms upstairs, and that master bedroom was Alex's room. And we're gonna start and show you guys the second living room right here. It's empty. But we're probably gonna get like a couch and another TV up here and just like a second living room when we don't feel like going downstairs to watch TV. Okay, so let's show you guys the second room upstairs. This is a guest room right here. Skylight set up, bed right here, and a bathroom right here, and closet right here. Got some clothes in here, you know, obviously storage. And let me show you guys bedroom number 3 upstairs. This one, yeah, you get into the closet on the side, right here. You know, nice little balcony. I like this room. It has a balcony. Huge balcony. Very huge balcony. Huge. You can just look at this huge balcony right. But like we said, every room does have a restroom and a closet. So all of these rooms are guest bedrooms, obviously. There's actually a lot of empty rooms here. So if you want to move in, want to be roommates with us, all you have to do is subscribe, turn on our post notifications, and comment down done when you are done. And let's move on to the next bedroom. Another room right here. Yeah, this is the only guest bedroom that's like kind of furnished right now. Bed right here, table right here. Like we said, another restroom. Every room, you know what? We don't have to show the restroom for every single one, but you guys get the idea. Every room does have a restroom and a closet. But yeah, let me show you guys the laundry room really quick. And this is the laundry room right here. There we go. Nice little, it's pretty decently sized. You can wash your hands right here. A lot of storage, you know, underneath the sink, dryer, washer. Oh no, I forgot to put this in the dryer, now it's gonna smell. Oh, cabinets, a lot of cabinets. Toilet paper for Alan's aggressive eating habits. He gets diarrhea really often. I'm not gonna let him go in our pool if he's gonna poop everywhere. You guys might be wondering which room is Alan's, and we're gonna show you guys that right now. Okay, to Alan's bedroom. All right, this is it. Closet, TV, room.
There's 2 TVs.
So the cab, I try to keep it kind of color coordinated if you can't tell. This wood with this wood right there. That's what I really like about it. And the lamp too. It kind of like everything kind of matches a little bit. And the restroom, nothing crazy, you know. Like I said, every room does have a restroom and a closet. But yeah, this is my room. So this is the guest restroom right here. It's like, you know, when we have guests over. Doesn't have a shower, but mirror. It's an extra restroom, so yeah, and a nice little closet in here. Here's the garage right here. I think the garage actually looks kind of nice. I do like the garage. Ooh. Let us know if you want to see a video of us decorating our entire house. Let's try to get this video to 100,000 likes. And with that being said, thank you guys so much for watching. We'll see you guys next time.